Welcome to PSD World. Today we explore 20 of the most beautiful and colorful birds found on Earth, along with descriptions and the countries where they are commonly found. These birds exemplify the incredible diversity of colors and patterns that can be found in avian species around the world. Each of them adds a touch of beauty and splendor to their respective habitats. Mandarin duck, X. galericulata. This stunning duck species showcases an array of vibrant colors, including orange, purple, green, and blue. It is native to East Asia and can be found in countries such as China, Japan, and Korea. Quetzal, Pharamacris mosino. The quetzal is known for its breathtakingly long and vibrant green tail feathers. It is found in the cloud forests of Central America, including countries such as Guatemala, Costa Rica, and Panama. Peacock, Pavo cristatus. The male peacock is famous for its extravagant plumage featuring iridescent blue and green feathers with a distinctive eye-shaped pattern. It is native to India and is also found in other parts of South Asia. Scarlet Macaw, Macaw. With its vibrant red, yellow, and blue feathers, the scarlet macaw is one of the most striking parrot species. It can be found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, including countries like Brazil, Peru, and Costa Rica. Victoria crowned pigeon, Gora victoria. The Victoria crowned pigeon is a large, elegant bird with a blue-gray plumage, maroon breast, and an intricate crest of feathers on its head. It is native to Papua New Guinea. Goldian finch, Erythrura goldiae. This small finch species displays a brilliant combination of colors, including bright red, yellow, green, and purple. It is endemic to northern Australia. Atlantic puffin, Fratercula arctica. The Atlantic puffin is a charming seabird known for its colorful beak, which features shades of orange, yellow, and blue. It is found in the coastal regions of the North Atlantic, including countries such as Iceland, Norway, and Canada. Keel-billed toucan, Ramphastos sulphuratus. The keel-billed toucan is recognized for its large, colorful bill that combines hues of green, yellow, orange, and red. It is native to the tropical forests of Central and South America, including countries like Belize, Costa Rica, and Colombia. Indian roller, Corycius bengalensis. This bird showcases a mix of vibrant colors, including shades of blue, purple, and brown. It is widely distributed across the Indian subcontinent and can be found in countries such as India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Wilson's bird of paradise, Cicinurus respublica. The male Wilson's bird of paradise is known for its extravagant plumage, featuring a vibrant turquoise crown, bright red body, and intricate patterns. It is endemic to the forests of Papua New Guinea. African gray-crowned crane, Balearica regulorum. This elegant bird has a gray body, a crown of golden feathers, and a red throat pouch. It is found in eastern and southern Africa, including countries like Uganda, Kenya, and South Africa. Hyacinth macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus. With its brilliant cobalt blue feathers, the hyacinth macaw is one of the most visually striking parrot species. It is native to Central and Eastern South America, including countries such as Brazil and Bolivia. Resplendent quetzal, Pharamacris mosino. The resplendent quetzal is known for its iridescent green feathers, a long tail, and a Painted bunting, Passerina cirrus. The male painted bunting is a small songbird that showcases a vibrant mix of colors, including blue, green, red, and yellow. It can be found in North America, particularly in the southern United States. Lilac-breasted roller, Corycius caudatus. This African bird exhibits a stunning combination of colors, with shades of lilac, blue, green, and brown. It is commonly found in savanna regions across sub-Saharan Africa, including countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa. Red and yellow barbet, Trachyphonus erythrocephalus. The red and yellow barbet is a striking bird with bright red plumage on its head and a vibrant yellow body. It is found in various countries in eastern and southern Africa, including Tanzania, Mozambique, and Zimbabwe. Golden pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus. The male golden pheasant is renowned for its magnificent golden and reddish-orange plumage, as well as its long, colorful tail feathers. It is native to the mountainous regions of China and is also found in parts of Europe and North America. Northern cardinal, Cardinalis cardinalis. The northern cardinal is a well-known bird in North America, featuring a brilliant red plumage, a prominent crest on its head, and a black face mask. It can be found across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Rainbow lorikeet, Trichoglossus mollucanus. This small parrot species displays a vibrant and diverse range of colors, including red, blue, green, and orange. It is native to Australia, particularly along the eastern coast. Hoopoe, Eupupa epops. The hoopoe is a distinctive bird with a crown of feathers, a long, slender bill, and striking black, white, and reddish-brown plumage. It is found across Europe, Asia, and Africa, including countries like Spain, India, and Morocco. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and entertaining. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel for more content like this.